This is probably the nicest looking mop bucket I've ever seen. It has a really nice design to it, and it's actually really neat. So it's one of these flat mops that has that you can take the cleaning pad, you can take the cleaning pad off so you can wash it, and it does come with 2 extras, which is amazing. So if once it gets worn, you can just replace it. It's easy to put on. This is also customizable to your height, which is nice. You can take pieces out or put them in. This is the tallest setting. It has a really nice soft grip here, so that I find a lot when you're mopping, you can hurt your hand if you don't have a nice grip on it. So it's nice to have that. It has a nice loop here at the top so you can hang it if you have hooks that you hang your cleaning products on. It does have a this way up, and it does have a good magnet there for you. And this comes in handy because when you're using this and it has an indicator in there of how much water to put in there, but it has a wash and dry sections here for you. So when you're actually ready to start cleaning and you want to wet your mop, you simply stick it into here, and it's because of the length of the bucket, you're saturating the whole pad here when you put it in there. You take it out, and then you can dry it. If it's completely soaked and you don't want it that wet, you can simply put it into the dry slot, and depending on how many times you do it, you'll get your desired dryness. And in the instructions, it tells you how many times to do it based on the dryness level that you want to achieve. So you'd go simply just up and down if you want to get some excess water off of it, which is really nice. This is, like I said, it's a really nice design. It looks good. I think this bucket is very nice looking considering what it is. And it also has a handle here, which is nice to carry along with you as you're moving along the floor to clean. You can't go wrong with this. I am at that age where I get excited about cleaning supplies, and I was definitely excited about this one, so definitely check it out.